So I'm actually working on design, right? And I'm just experimenting with the containers in Elementor and testing out how I can actually create something similar to a mobile application, but on a website. So this is the whole page, right? Let me just refresh. I've managed to create a what this kind of what uh navigation menu, which I've actually uh, used a container to do that without no other plugin except of Elementor. So this is how I did it. So let me actually hide it. Then I can actually come here and I'm going to create a new Flexbox container of this directional container. Then the second thing which I did is actually go on the background, choose a color. I chose black, right? Yep. Then I went to add an element, clicked on it, looked for an icon. Then I chose this one, this icon, and I pasted it in here. So I have to go under style, change the color into white, then go back to the content, change this one into is tagged, right? Go back to style. And what I did here is I had to actually create a color for the icon, a black color, right? Yep. Then I changed this size to something like 15, right? And this one for the padding, I did something like 5, right? Okay. Let me come here. Shape circle, yes. Okay, I chose frame. Yeah, I my bad. Frame. So after doing that, right? Okay, I went on to come under the style again, click under hover, select a what? I selected a color which was kind of like an orange, just like it. When I go on top, it will actually what change a color. But there was also an animation like a pause grow where it just does what it's doing. So after doing that, right, I had to come here, a duplicate into 5 icons. All right, now I'm on the fifth one. Then I went on this container, clicked on it, went on the layout, then went to what a horizontal, and it came out like this. Then the other thing which I did to actually I had to center them, put on the center, right, or actually put space evenly so that it has a good spacing, right? Just like that. Then I click publish. After clicking publish, right, we have to view the page, view page. Okay, I have to click inspect. I did this so that it only shows on a mobile phone. Okay, as you can see, this is, oh my goodness. Okay, the other designs are actually showing, so I had to actually cancel. So let me actually come here and disable them from showing up. Hide. Okay, publish. Okay, let me now refresh. Okay, now as you can see, there is a what, a menu, but it's not sticking. So since we know that this feature is found in what, in Elementor Pro, if I come here, go under advanced, okay, then I come where it says motion effects. If I look for this option, it doesn't work because we have to have a pro version. So I found another way. You come under layout, right? Then on the position, that's where you change, click on it, put fixed, right? As you can see, it went by default to the top side, of which one we want it at the bottom. So bottom, right? Exactly, there we have. If I click publish and we go and have a refresh, you see it's sticking there, but whenever the footer shows up, it gets messed up. So at this part we have to use the set index. I don't know why I was just experimenting. I don't know why I use the set index, but the moment I put any number greater than 0, you see it showed up on the top. I publish again, go here, refresh. As you can see now, it is sticking to this certain page. If I hover on top, it changes colors, right? Just like that. So you might ask like, how can this be applied across different what pages? That's the point where you have to actually keep on applying the same thing. You have to actually finish designing it, come here, um, right click on your mouse, then save as a template. Then I can call it nav bar mobile menu, just like that. Then I click where it says save. Now it is saved for future use in other different pages. So that's the thing now, is to change the icons. So that's the easy part. You just have to come here, go under content, click here, search for home, put the home, insert, right? As you can see, now we can actually publish, and now you can actually hover around, and it is accessible for you. Let's try something. I'm going to choose another container, right? I'm going to put it in here. I'm going to put this icon, this other icon inside, this other icon inside, another icon inside, another icon inside. Then I'm actually going to change to that direction. On the container, I'm going to say space evenly. I'm going to come on the outer container, right? Style, click here, clear, so that it remains like this. Then I'm going to come on this container, right? And I'm going to come on the style, put a background color, black. Then what I'm going to do is, is it what I'm thinking? I'm going to come on the radius 21 or something more. So 30 will be the right one. And if I click save, right, then you come here, we refresh. Now we have got a fancy, wow, we've got a nice what menu hovering on top, so you can just customize the way you want. And as you can see, it should be mobile responsive. So I'm going to come here, right here. As you can see, on mobile phone, as you can, it changes, but most mobile phones can actually reach to this angle. As you can see, it works well. If I hover on top, it changes the color. You can do whatever you want. I'm surprised that this thing actually worked. It just randomly going up about. So the other thing which you can do, right, so to have a certain effect, we have to put a what to come on this container, inner container, right? Then we have to put a drop down shadow. So I think by just clicking it, it already applies its shadow. But let's refresh and see. Okay, refresh. So it's kind of like dark in color. So you can make it dark or gray. You do what you can do, man. You do what you can do best. So I can put it here, right? Then I can actually reduce the opacity, just like that. Then I can save it. And there we've managed to actually create our custom what um our custom, how can I say it, navigation menu for our website. More like I hope we can just go and download a what a plugin code, which enables us to change this into your oh my goodness, into a web application. But whatever it is, we managed to reach at this point. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.